Welcome to Calorie Command. This brief tutorial should give you an idea of if just counting calories is the right thing for your lifestyle. So this doesn't have a WW equivalent. There is no plan that is just calorie counting on WW, but it has been around obviously for a very long time. There is nothing extra in the calculation. This is just straight calories. So one thing to note is that if you tap your big green plus sign at the bottom, you'll notice that you do not have a calculator. That's normal. That's because there's nothing to calculate. It's just straight calories. So that also means that there is not a zero bite list. All food has calories, and your success on this will definitely be linked to how accurately you weigh, measure, and track everything. 4 ounces of chicken is a very different calorie amount to 5 ounces of chicken. So if you're just eyeballing it, or you're not tracking things like your grapes, for example, you'd be surprised at how many calories can quickly add up and not be accounted for. So that is the first thing, and really the only thing to know about this particular program is that you do need to be prepared for the amount of tracking involved. I have been doing calories or calorie cycling for a long time, and I find it to be a very effective way of managing my day. The good thing about calories is that as long as you are within your caloric guide, you are on track. And when I go into the settings, I'll show you how to choose what your calorie goal is. Here's the tricky part about calories though. 100 calories of broccoli is very different to 100 calories of a donut. Obviously, they break down differently. They fuel your body differently. So this plan works best for people who don't need help choosing what to eat, but rather just want some structure around portion size and general guidelines of not overeating. So this is not about what you eat, but how much you eat. If you need help making better food choices, then something like the Better Balance or Sugar Smart programs, which focus on reducing sugars, or something like Conquer Cravings may suit you better. Are there any special rules? Nope, not really. A calorie is a calorie is a calorie. This is part of the free portion of the app. So while you do not need to be a pro member to use this at all, that would add extra features and functionality for you. Okay, so let's say you want to give this a try. What do? All you're going to do is go to the profile button in your bottom right-hand corner. And then you're going to tap your settings your settings cog in the top right-hand corner. Go down to weight loss plan, and under weight loss plan again, we're going to select calorie command. Once you've selected that, here is one difference in this program over all of the others. If you come down to your fitness goal, you will be able to change the amount of calories that you have. So if we look at the bottom of the screen, 1846 is the amount of calories I'm given based on my profile if I wanted to lose 0.5 pounds a week. A lot of people switch to calorie command. They see a high number. They freak out a little bit. They're like, whoa, that's way too many calories. That's what this wheel is for. So if I put it to 1 pound a week, if you look at the bottom of the screen, you'll see that number has come down to 1596. If I change that to 1.5, we're now at 1346. If I change it to 2, we're now at 1200. You also have options in here for gaining if you're doing bodybuilding or muscle work, or maintaining your weight. So when you set up Calorie Command, be sure to use your fitness goal wheel to customize your calories. That's it. Feel free to join us in our main Itrackbites participants group, which is linked in the description box below, for any questions you have about the app or about this program, and we will be more than happy to help.